Hi guys, this is Hardest Info channel and today I will show you how to manage Google passwords on your OUKITEL WP20. Our first step to do this is open Google Chrome and now we press 3 dots on the right corner and there's settings where we have our passwords. There we can turn on or turn off some function and we can manage our password which our telephone remember. In this case to this Facebook account. To manage it we click on it and now we can copy our email and passwords, and after we press this eyes icon our smartphone show us password which remember. We can delete it by trash icon and continue by delete passwords. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.